fuel. That's her. That's Willow. Willow's playing. Here she is. Willow. She's just a precious little girl. She has doopy issues. I don't know what the heck's going on there. But if I can get a good shot, I will. There she is. She has a very hard time going to the bathroom. There. Oh, she's very wondering what the camera's doing. That is what I'm talking about.
This is where he started, because he said he didn't have money to get any kind of 3D coverage. But he knows this good enough to create stuff just like you do in Maya. You'd see. Yeah, we're going to cut it out. It says the best of this after, because they have a modeling one. And then the rigging one, look at that. And it says that you're doing it not professional stuff. Rigging.
That's what I'm talking about, that right there.
Level animation rigs.
I don't know what it is, but poop comes out there.
With full control by a Python script and custom sliders.